got a trout on the Barbie pole.
Mom,
Okay, reel. See if you can see the fish soon.
I see it, Milo. That's a big one.
Reel. Oh my goodness. You see it?
You're almost there, Mike. Keep reeling.
Good job, almost. Did you see it, Mike?
You see it?
It's almost there. Keep reeling.
He's right there, Mike. Almost gonna get an M.
Say, Daddy, get the net.
Here we go.
Okay, keep reeling. Oh, he's pulling
Woo.
hard, huh?
Quality rod.
Good job, reel.
Here we go, Mike. Ooh, he's pulling drag.
Yay!